Hello, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to do a quick look at some microfiber towels that might be a good choice if you want to maybe provide sports towels, yoga towels, the popular makeup removal towels, or even the golf or rally towels that you see at sporting events. You can create these using sublimation. And in fact, they are a really good beginner project for those that are just starting out with sublimation, and they're also great money makers. Okay, so if that sounds like something you want to do, hold on and we will get started. Alrighty, first things first. We are going to be sublimating on a couple of different towels today, and this is a pack of towels that I will have available on my website, just a couple of them. I think we might have 3 or 5 packs, so if you see this video and you would like to grab a pack, go ahead and do so. Then you can come back to this video and maybe take a look at sublimating on some towels. We have already done a couple of the towels that are included in here, and when we get to those, I will tell you so you can go to the other video if you want to take a look. Okay, the first one that we are going to sublimate on is, it is just a simple 11, I believe it's a 11 by 18 towel, and it is microfiber, so you can certainly use your sublimation printer and prints to add designs on it. These are what you might see at sporting events where people use them as little rally towels. If you have a child that is in a sport, it's always cool to put maybe their number, jersey number or something like that on them. You can even provide that for like the team. When I was selling these, I did a lot of these for the local youth sports teams. And when I was in real estate, I also did a lot of these for giveaways when we had events. So you can even put your logo or something on that. So first things first, with this one, you definitely want to sticky lint roll to make sure that you get all of the lint off. And then we're going to pre-press this for maybe about 20 seconds or so to make sure that we get all of the moisture out. You can press these and use any type of image or anything that you want, and a size up to maybe about a 10 by 17. Some of them, if I want to press and have a full coverage, I'll make the image quite a bit larger just so it covers everything. Okay, so we've already done our pre-press, and we are going to put this image on the towel. So like I said, you can put any image on that you like. You definitely want to... Oh, hello, baby. Okay, we're going to stop for just a second. Grandbaby is up from her nap. Okay, we are back. I have, let's see, I'm going to put a little bit of tape down right here to hold this in place. A lot of times I will use the spray, but today I'm just going to use a little clear tape here to tape it down. It is ready to go. I'm going to flip it over, because for the textiles, we will actually press with the paper on the top and the substrate on the bottom. I'm going to do this for 50 seconds. And I will be right back when we are ready to go. Okay, we are almost ready to reveal. The image that I have on this particular towel is just floral, but this would really be good for branding if you have a business. It would also be good for, kind of smoky. Let's see. If you had a shop or something like that, that would still be kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to lift it up and you will see how beautiful this towel looks. Look at this. This is really amazing, guys. What do you think? And it still feels really soft. So this, like I said, is a good towel for any of your promotional ventures or even your sports teams. I believe this is the size that you get when you buy like the rally towels and stuff like that for sporting events. Okay, I'm going to take this down and we are going to press another. Alrighty, the next towel we are going to press is a much bigger towel. It is 15.5 by 26.5. I have used these for towels like your yoga towels and stuff like that, or if people want to bring them to the gym. These are long enough to hang around your neck. I also use these in my bathroom for hand dry off towels, so they're really nice for that as well. Super absorbent. And let's see. We do want to pre-press this one as well. Now I'm going to be able to put a much larger image than you might be able to put on yours if you have a smaller heat press. But since I have the bigger heat press and I am printing my items out on a 24-inch printer, I went ahead and just made a really big image. Okay. And for this one, am I going to spray it? Actually, I don't know. I think I'm just going to tape it too. I'm going to put this little sucker somewhere in the middle here. Do I want it this way? No, I think I want it this way. We'll turn it this way. Okay, and I am going to put the tape right here. Right here. Here. And right here. This heat press is pretty heavy. I have this stand that it's on. It's a stand that I got from Harbor Freight. And it has lasted for years. So I'm going to add a few more little images off to the side on this one. After I finished printing it, I decided that I want to add some hearts here. So what I did was I just printed out some images. These are hearts. And I just put a little spray on it so that it would stick down. I don't have to tape it. Okay. And with sublimation, because it only transfers the ink, these extra areas with white on them will have absolutely no effect. So we are going to do the same thing. I am still at 385. And we are going to let this press for another 50 seconds, and we will be right back. Alrighty, it is now time to lift up. It's a bit of steam coming off of there. Oops. Oh, look at that. That is cute. Those are our little hearts. And now let's lift up our paper. Okay, guys, what do you think? I love it. Look how bright the colors are. This is not bad. So this is only a short video because you're gonna pretty much do all of these towels the same. You will have to adjust your temperature a little bit if you are depending on what your which heat press you use, and maybe even what paper you use. You will adjust a little bit. In the packet that you're gonna get, if you grab the one that I have on my site at the moment, it does have a waffle weave kitchen towel, a dish towel in it, and also the little the little washcloth towel. I will link the videos to those in the description. So if you want to go back and see how we did those. And the only other one that I'm going to do, this is kind of a velvet feel one. You press this one just a little differently because it has kind of a thicker pile to it. It's not as flat as the other ones, and it's very similar to the one that we have here that has the little can't think what this is called, but it's a little hook on it. Carbine or carbon? I don't remember. Okay, anyway, this particular one, the only thing you want to do is I normally make sure it's all going the same way, because you'll see, look, you can do it that way. So I always like to smooth it out and make sure it's going the same way. Okay. The image that we're going to use on this one is, kind of think we'll do it this way. A little bit higher. This is the ones that I use for makeup towels. They're really cute, and they're the microfiber, so they operate just like a couple of years ago. They were really popular. The what were they called? The makeup removal towels, and it was pretty much the exact same type of towel. So it was they were really popular. Okay, and I will take a few minutes at the end of the video just to show you some other towels that we've done, just to give you some ideas. If you have any questions about the process here, or if you try it and you want to tell me about it, I would sure appreciate it. Just leave a comment down in the comment section. If you want any additional information on sublimating other materials, put that down in the comment too. This video is going to be part of my sublimation boot camp series. So I'm just going to go through everything that I have and that I can sublimate on, and do it on camera. So if you're just getting started and you are new to sublimation, this might be a pretty good place for you to start. Okay, this is ready to go. Turn this off because I am done with that. Yeah. So what do you think? And the images are from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to leave a link down below to Creative Fabrica if you want to do the trial. If you want the specific images that I use, just let me know, and I am sure I can find those and link those for you. But yeah, let me know what you think about the towels that we did today. I think they were kind of cute. So a little makeup towel, a little rally towel, and our sports towel. If you want to see the other towels that I have here in the little packet, we would, I'll have those listed in the other the videos for those listed down below. But thanks again for watching. I do appreciate your stopping by. Okay, I thought I'd show you some of the ones that I have done previously. This one, better late than ugly. It is one of the thicker ones, the velour. And I just store them in these so they don't get dusty. When I use these for, when I would go out for events, I would make sure they were packaged. So, here are some of the other, whoops, sorry there, y'all. Look how good the color is on these towels. And whether you're using a bright or vibrant towel or something a little bit more subdued, the colors are really amazing. And then, of course, this one is one of my favorite. Now, these images are not on Creative Fabrica, but they are really nice. So, okay, that's it. Thanks again.